Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are diving into an absolutely mind-blowing 2026 futuristic ultra-luxury motorhome concept that completely changes the meaning of road travel. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury mansion designed for people who want power, comfort, technology, and exclusivity all in one unforgettable package. From the outside, this 2026 motorhome instantly grabs attention with its bold, aerodynamic, and futuristic design. The body sits low and wide, giving it a powerful stance that looks more like a hypercar-inspired machine than a traditional RV. The smooth sculpted panels flow seamlessly from front to back, improving aerodynamics and visual appeal. The massive panoramic windshield dominates the front, wrapping around the cabin to create a clean and aggressive face. Slim LED lighting elements run across the front and sides, delivering a sharp futuristic signature while enhancing night visibility. The multi-axle setup with oversized premium alloy wheels not only adds to the dramatic appearance but also improves stability, weight distribution, and ride comfort. Every exterior detail feels carefully engineered, from the flush surfaces to the hidden design elements that reduce drag and road noise, making long journeys quieter and more efficient. Step inside, and the interior feels like entering a 5-star luxury suite on wheels. The cabin is incredibly spacious, thanks to a smart open-plan layout and high roofline that creates an airy atmosphere. Premium materials are everywhere, including high-quality leather seating, soft-touch surfaces, elegant wood trims, and metallic accents that add a modern luxury feel. Ambient LED lighting runs throughout the interior, allowing passengers to customize the mood depending on time of day or personal preference. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light and provide breathtaking views, making every journey feel immersive and relaxing. The living area is designed for both comfort and entertainment. Plush reclining seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, perfect for long-distance travel. A large digital display serves as the control center for infotainment, navigation, climate, and vehicle systems, all accessible through an intuitive interface. The sound system delivers rich, high-quality audio, transforming the space into a private cinema when parked. Storage solutions are seamlessly integrated, keeping the interior clean and uncluttered while offering plenty of space for long trips. The kitchen area continues the luxury theme with a sleek, minimalist design. It features an induction cooktop, hidden refrigerator, premium cabinetry, and high-end finishes that feel more like a modern apartment kitchen than a motorhome setup. Everything is designed to be functional yet visually clean, making cooking on the road both practical and enjoyable. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining space is flexible and can be transformed depending on whether you're eating, working, or relaxing. The bedroom area is all about comfort and privacy. A full-size luxury bed takes center stage, surrounded by soft lighting and premium fabrics that promote relaxation and restful sleep. Sound insulation ensures a quiet environment even when parked in busy areas. Smart storage and easy-to-reach controls allow occupants to adjust lighting, temperature, and window settings effortlessly. The bathroom matches the same high standard, offering a modern shower, premium fittings, and a clean, hotel-style design that maximizes space without sacrificing comfort. When it comes to performance, this 2026 motorhome is expected to feature a cutting-edge electric or advanced hybrid powertrain. Given its futuristic nature, a fully electric setup is the most likely option, delivering smooth, silent acceleration with massive torque to move this large vehicle effortlessly. A multi-motor all-wheel drive system would provide excellent traction and stability, even on challenging road conditions. Adaptive air suspension plays a key role, automatically adjusting ride height and stiffness to ensure maximum comfort on highways while maintaining control on uneven terrain. Driving such a large vehicle may sound intimidating, but advanced driver assistance systems make it surprisingly easy and stress-free. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking help the driver stay confident in all situations. With semi-autonomous driving capabilities, long highway journeys become far more relaxing, allowing the driver to focus less on constant control and more on enjoying the ride. Noise insulation and vibration control are top tier, creating a smooth, quiet driving experience that feels refined and premium at all speeds. In terms of range, a luxury electric motorhome of this class could realistically deliver between 450 and 550 kilometers on a full charge, depending on driving conditions and configuration. Fast charging technology would be essential, allowing quick charging stops during long trips. Some concepts may also include solar panels integrated into the roof to support auxiliary systems and improve efficiency while parked. Now let's talk about pricing. A vehicle of this level is clearly aimed at the ultra-luxury market. For 2026, the estimated starting price could be around $350,000, with fully loaded versions easily exceeding $500,000. Customization options such as advanced autonomous driving features, premium interior materials, bespoke layouts, and high-end entertainment systems could push the price even higher. This motorhome is designed for buyers who want exclusivity, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort on the road. Overall, this 2026 futuristic luxury motorhome concept represents the future of premium road travel. It blends bold exterior design, a refined and spacious interior, advanced performance technology, and luxury living into one extraordinary vehicle. While it may still be a concept, it clearly shows where high-end motorhomes are heading. If this vision becomes reality, road travel will never be the same again. Stay tuned to MH Car Review for more detailed reviews of futuristic cars and ultra-luxury motorhomes.